Look, I wouldn't call the OnePlus 6 such a boring phone if it was launched a year ago. But now it's 2018 and it's probably more boring and cliched than your grandpa. Okay, so what's the whole boring deal here if it has 19:9 display, the notch, face unlock and other stuff? Hear me out. We saw the taller display and face unlock with the 5T and now every budget smartphone has it. It's not very uncommon anymore. The whole design aspect of the phone is also nothing new. It's the iPhone X from the front and the Galaxy S9 Plus from the rear. We have already seen the design a number of times. Talking about the cameras, it has seen no change in its function since the last OnePlus 5T. It's neither a telephoto lens or a wide lens, but it apparently helps with low light performance. Even if they could bring a wide angle lens, it would be a more unique addition. The speaker set is the same and it still doesn't have stereo system. The battery is the same capacity, and while dash charging is great and all, it has shown no improvements in the last 4 generations. Plus the phone isn't water resistant and doesn't have support for wireless charging, which is a big deal for me, and what's more upsetting is how aggressively they defend their decisions and make their fans believe it. Also, OnePlus likes to play the small company card a lot and they don't have a lot of funds is what they say. Well, as most of you know, they are a sister brand of Oppo, which is a huge brand in itself, and in fact they have offices in the same building. They are part of BBK Electronics, which is a huge firm also. I will link a video to Tech Alter who explains everything about OnePlus and its hype. At the end, I would like to say that I'm not a OnePlus hater. I love what they did with the OnePlus 1 and the OnePlus 3. I use the OnePlus 6 as my daily driver and it's a good device but not an interesting one.